Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the popular bubblehead in Berry Avenue. Many players love this unique look, often called the Cheeks head, for its distinct style and compatibility with various face accessories. We'll go through each step together, making it super easy for you to achieve this trendy avatar transformation. Get ready to customize your character and stand out in the game. First things first, let's get into the game. Once you're in Berry Avenue, look for the avatar icon, usually found on the side of your screen. Give that a click. From there, a menu will pop up. You'll want to select the menu option and then navigate to the Equipped tab. This is where you can add or remove items from your character's appearance. Now for the key step. Inside the Equipped section, you'll see a button labeled Import ID. Click on this to open a text box. Here, you need to type in the special code for the Cheeks head. That code is 746767604. Double-check that you've entered it correctly, then hit the Add button to instantly apply this new head to your avatar. Congratulations! Your avatar should now be sporting the popular Cheeks head, giving you that sought-after bubble head look. This head shape is perfect for many of the trendy face accessories and makeup options available in Berry Avenue. Feel free to explore and customize your character further. Have fun showing off your fresh, new style and enjoying all the role-playing possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.